Got one. Got one. Yeah.
Hey everyone, John Stenstrom here from Cast and Spear, where it's my goal to inspire you to catch your own food. Let's go on a long 10-mile hike into the backcountry of Yosemite, where we're gonna go stop at Merced Lake, set up tent, and go try and catch some brown trout using the Tenkara.
On our way to Merced Lake. Knees are sore. It's like trash, but it is pretty. There's a little waterfall over there, little stream. Let's keep going. This is what we consider Sierra carpet, and this is what your feet long for once you get past the 20+ mile mark. Log crossings. Careful, that branch isn't very sturdy. Do see some baby fish over there. Pretty good sized pool. On to that way. This tree. It's so beautiful with the moss coming down into the valley, so you see all this granite. But shoe update. Other shoe blew up, so now we're running on 2 bad shoes. Shoe saga continues. Hey, our first bridge. I'll get that. Right over there. It's pretty. All right, we're coming up on the second of the 3 footbridges on our way to Merced. Love that little waterfall down there. That might be a nice little pool. Let's try throwing the line in. So beautiful. I'm just hoping those clouds don't dump any more water on us this trip. It was a little bit cold this morning. Putting on all the wet clothes, wet pack, wet everything. I'm dry now, let's keep it that way. Couple more miles and we are at camp for the day. Our feet are struggling a little bit. And today is the all downhill easy day. The left knee was bothering just a tad, so I used my walking stick to work on some pressure points in my calf, and that seemed to be doing some help, giving me some help. Thank you, Kelly Starrett. That Becoming a Simple Leopard book has been helpful. The lake right over there. It's been a good 9.5 or so miles. Man, the feet are a little bit sore, but it's time to go fishing. Just gotta set up tent, set up camp, get everything ready. Took us we started around 10 o'clock. It's about 3:30. Welcome to Merced Lake, one of my favorite lakes in Yosemite, and definitely one of my favorite High Sierra camps. If you ever have the opportunity to go to one, or all of them, make sure this one is at the top of your list. So it turns out there's a campfire ring at our tent, so I've been going up around looking for dead debris. I found a little honey pot right there with some bigger branches that I threw down here. I want to do little backcountry trout barbecue catch and cook. Setting up our tent. Look at what I've scrounged. Look what I've found so far. Got some of the kindling going. We're gonna burn these paper maps as fire starter, then go off with these smaller branches and eventually get to the bigger ones. Trying to find a spot to fish, but the lake is so overfull with water. There's not that many spaces. All I have is my Tenkara rod on me. Let's see what we can find. We're gonna try and go on that rock and fish the little outlet of the lake first, and then work our way back down the lake. Gotta get out the Tenkara rod. I'll be using the Dragon Tail. Shadowfire 365. This rod has been a slayer of fish so far this trip. So we're gonna go nymph first. This one with this fly we're gonna do after. Rig this up now, since I'm gonna have to balance on the rock. Make our little loop, just like this. Put the Lillian through. The Lillian is through the loop. Hold tight. And just make sure that that little slip knot is on the back side. Just like that. Alright, put this guy through. And let's go. Oh baby. Don't fall in here. There's a huge cascade down there. Moving. Oh, log is moving. Can we see any fish? I don't see any yet, but kind of round branches. And just simply extend. Just like that. And we'll start casting. Side cast. Tenkara sit. There we go. Oh, we got a bite, we got a bite! Oh, we had a bite! Tenkara is very peaceful, not gonna lie. This water is moving very fast. My legs are so sore from the hike. We did just a little under 10 miles today with the pack, and the legs feel it. The fish right there. Let's see if we can get him out with the Tenkara. Get his attention, let the wind pull it. Wind pull it. Get his attention. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. Got him! Got him! Got him! Yeah! Come here. Come here. We have a fish. Fish on. Just gotta get our little bag to put him in. He's trying to dig underneath the log. Gotta keep the tension on. Come here. Might be a rainbow. Let's see. He's fighting good. No, get him, get him. Oh. Not getting any luck after that first one. A little bummed. I really wish I had a net with me on this trip. It's been probably one of the biggest drawbacks of landing a fish on a Tenkara is if you don't have a net, you know, you're kind of at the mercy, especially when you have the barbless hook. Makes it a little bit difficult. But the nice thing about the Tenkara is that if you want to move spots, it's pretty quick. So you just push make sure you put all the pieces of the rod back into place, and then basically just wrap your line around one of these little guys. If you have one, you can make one. If you don't, you can just wrap it around a piece of cork or whatnot. This is kind of nice because once you wrap the furled line around and your leader, your tippet, you can just put it right through here and move on to the next spot. So let's see what we can find. 2 fish this trip got away on that barbless hook. Thing kills me. At least with the barbed hook, you could just hold it and be like, all right, calm down, calm down.
They barely can sink the barb.
I'm like, geez. I'm losing all the fish this time. It's all good. That one was a different color. I think that might have been a brown trout. It definitely didn't look like the brookie. Let's see. They're not jumping yet. That's the downside. But the wind died down, which is nice. I want some more trout for dinner. That's pretty. That is just such a granite slab. Let's do this. Pop off the top. Just don't want to get this tangled. Conditions are turning really nice. I liked it. And there's trees around you. It's hard to make sure you don't get anything. There's trees around you. It's hard to make sure you don't get anything. Let's try another spot soon. The almighty log. Let's see what we can catch on this guy. Whoa. Moral of the story, if you think your knot is not great, or just a little bit of doubt, cut it and do it again. Wow, super cool. Big old tree. Don't see any fish just yet. Got one. Got one. Yeah. Oh. Gonna land him on the shore. Oh no, don't go under the rock. Don't go under there. Don't go under there. Oh my gosh, why does there have to be a big old branch? I have to flick him over the branch. Flick him over the branch. Oh, I can't get him over the branch. There we go. I can't flick him that hard. He's heavy. All right. Got him. Get him. All right. Brown trout. Jeez, that was hard. Catch and cook. Let's go get him. All right, we got ourselves dinner. Look at that guy. He's beautiful. Little brown trout. Beautiful looking fish. Keep him in a bag. Just like that. And keep him in the water until we're ready to go. Woo! That was difficult. Way more difficult than I thought it would be. Oh, I rinsed off in the water. Round two, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna try, we used the nymph on the last one. We're gonna try this fly. I have a very long leader on this one. Tenkara has been by far the most productive fishing I've done in a long time. A little bit longer furl line. Let's see what we can get. Get a good base. It's a lot longer line. So I'm not using my wrist at all. I'm just squeezing my hand to give it a little bit of movement in the water, and then slowly kind of just raising the rod. Oh, did we get one? Yeah, we got another one. All right. Oh, he's bending. He's fighting. Oh, he came off. This line is so much longer though. Now it's even more difficult. I didn't really get him a good hook set. I barely felt him. I think it's pretty small. Gosh, this wind is difficult. Maybe if I come over here, cast into the wind, out of the wind, away from the wind. Got one. Ah, just had a bite. Oh shit. This line is so long. How did that happen? So far, we have successfully landed one fish. We've had multiple bites and a couple have gotten off due to the barbless hook. Taking a pit stop, I just broke my line, so I need to put a new tippet on and a new fly line. This is the money spot right there, right there. The wind's coming this way, unfortunately, so you're gonna want to cast it back this way. Shorter line is all that you need. I just tried to use one of the longer furled lines and it's just too much to manage, so I'm going to go back to the 11 foot with probably about an 18-inch fluorocarbon tippet, and we're set.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe so you see the next one where we're gonna cook up some of those trout and continue the hike out of Yosemite. And if you did like this, please hit that like button because it matters. And until next time, keep those lines tight. See ya.